Here we have our V-Class based on the V300 long version. As you can see, it is painted in two colors. Here in the front we have the Klassen logo with lighting inside. From the side you can see the special details what we add in the painting. So here on the side we put around the vehicle a black stripe what is ending here in a special detail what is very unique and handmade line. We put the V-Class also on special wheels. As you can see, special adapted design with the black inside stripes, additional adapted to the black color from the side, and also with the Klassen emblem in the middle. And now I want to present you the interior. So when you open the door, a special side step is coming out, so it's easier to entrance inside. Here in the interior we installed comfortable maybach seats with the footrest with the possibility to connect with the folding seat so you can transform it to a bed. Here on the side we have armrest with wireless charge, curtains, them you can open to look outside. Special here in this car is that we have the panoramic roof, so you can open it to look at the stars and enjoy the stars that we additionally added in the roof. So you can from here adjust the brightness of the stars so you can make it lighter or darker. Here in the armrest we have installed maybach tables, so them you can open to work on them. So you can put your iPad or newspaper to read it or a magazine and comfortable to hold in the front of you. In the front of me, in the partition wall, we have installed the folding seat, so you can press a button if you need sometimes that somebody travel with you. You can easily add 2 additional seats. Also we have in the partition wall a minibar with glass holders and bottle holder. So you press a button and the bar is opening. What is also very special in this car is the carpet. So we made it of sheep fur. That means so when you enter in the car and sitting, put your feet on the carpet, it feels like the feet fall in the fur. So when you're sitting here, you put your feet on a very soft carpet and enjoy the sitting.